Here's a couple of vintage color TVs. I was at a location upstate with Matthew Clark, and brought a whole bunch of stuff back. And these are the only two. Well, there's another color TV, and I'm not going to get into it. It's a little tabletop. These are the items I grabbed. And they're both spent. This is a Curtis Mathis. This is an RCA CTC 5. And we're gonna go over them today, look at them. I already have, but for the video's sake. This one is basically parts. It's missing the convergence assembly, all the tubes, the power transformer, most of the cabinet, and I'm pretty sure the CRT is bad, and at least that's what Matthew told me. We're gonna test it anyways. But it's parts basically for another CTC 5. So if anybody needs any, missing all the knobs too. If anybody needs a CTC 5 parts set, let me know, because this is a real good candidate. But then we have this. Move this sucker out of the way. Here's a Packard Bell. Not Packard Bell, I'm sorry, Curtis Mathis. It's got VHF and UHF. Pull on volume. Color, brightness, tint. Horizontal, vertical, contrast, and tone. And this cabinet's also in very, very bad shape. This was in the basement of the house. But it's all wood. It's not plastomatic except the front. I've already tested the CRT in this. I'm not testing it again. Here's the... This is a 25XP22. And this can also use, look, 21FBP22A. That's a roundy tube, which is cool. But it's just either a 16 or a 17 chassis. I think it's a 17. Which the 17 was just basically a 16 chassis with some extra add-ons for the rectangular tube. I'll scoot it around here. You can see it. CRT tested NOS in this. And it's a rebuild too. I don't know where it was rebuilt. High voltage 30. Oh, this is... I don't know why somebody would tape that on, but... Our horizontal output's a white cap. Our... Somebody's pressure washing. Our, what's that? RYGY amp is a white cap. And, I think our damper is also... No, it's there. But C24, I wonder what that means. It's pretty crusty and rusty. Well, it's real crusty and rusty. But I have the back for it, it's over there. We'll open the flyback cage. I have not done that. Looks like it's been opened a few thousand times. And then we'll test the CRT in that. But I grabbed this just because it was cheap and it had a good CRT in it. And I can use the CRT in some other sets. But get my nut driver real quick. Going through a few black and white sets I got from the same location. Hoping this one will turn out okay. I don't know why it was retired. Yeah, some wax leakage. Looks pretty burnt. Not too bad. Not too bad. Come on. Stand by. Okay. But yeah, it's just like a conventional style TV almost. It's just, if you looked up color TV in the dictionary, this is what it is. Very basic, very conventional. This will get its own resurrection, repair, whatever video. But right now I want to turn this one back. Oh, I gotta put this back in there. This is really kind of delicate here. I'm gonna turn that thing around and we'll look at it. Okay, so here this is. So there's our missing power transformer. This is where our two 5U4s would be. Color mod IF, then various other circuits. Vertical. That's audio. Horizontal, and then flyback. See, look at the wax drippage off of that one. Missing all the tubes except a couple. Convergence assembly is missing. The clover leaf is missing. All the knobs are missing, but yeah, those are for another set. It's kind of shot. Oh, those getters look great. Something I'll probably never see again. Tuner's unplugged for some reason. How many tubes we actually got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of like 30. That's, yeah. Anyways, we'll test the jug. Socket's nice and firm, that's good. But this is probably going to get parted and turned into wall art. Or cat bed, or I don't know, something. sounds hollow. Sounds not under vacuum. Maybe under a tiny bit of vacuum, but I doubt it. I don't see any filaments. It's probably got air in it. That's like 8 volts. Yeah, it's got air in it. That's our sign right there. Filaments aren't even like... You should be getting like red hot right now because the air, but the filaments aren't, it's like open. Yeah. It's open. They're open. This thing is gonna get parted, I'm pretty sure. I think that's gonna be the fate of it. That 21AXP22 being gassed is like the nail in the coffin. The nail in the coffin. 'Cause this thing is just... I'll offer it up, I guess, just to be nice. I'll give it to anybody who wants it, I guess. We even put all the tubes back in the right spot. Can you believe that? So when you purchase it, or get it, that it'll just work. Because why wouldn't it? It's got a brand new CRT in it, yeah. I'm having trouble with this tube. Brand new CRT. Can't forget this. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. The world's cheapest socket. Gosh, RCA, you couldn't even build a color TV with the right specs. Whatever. Yep, I guess it'll get put up on the group for a few days. See if anybody wants it after I take my parts off of it. Because I think if nobody wants the whole thing, you gotta get the whole thing. No, I won't ship it. You coming to me. Then I'll cut the front off and put it up as wall art, and take the rest and just part it. I'll use everything I can for parts, but it's just too far gone. I'm thinking, but oh, I don't know. I'll have to I'll have to ask around, see if anybody wants some parts or if what the best plan of action is. But so there's two color TVs. Two color TVs. Thanks for watching.